So hello guys, how are you all and everyone? Kumusta ang lahat guys? Ayan. So ito na naman tayo guys. It's time to coffee pa tayo guys. Ayun. Coffee. Ayun ang coffee natin guys. Walang partner ko dito ngayon. Asan kaya si Miming? Na ano na siguro yun sir kahintay sa akin na mag-coffee guys. Ayun. Isip-isip naman tayo guys. Anong i-merienda natin. Hindi pa rin ako nakapag doon. So, isip na lang tayo. Anong kainin na naman guys. Anong i-partner natin sa coffee. Coffee tayo dyan. Musta kayo guys? Coffee time. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day and keep safe everyone. Thank you for watching.